Raritan Bay Medical Center plays a critical role in the community of Middlesex County. Our two hospitals, located in Perth Amboy and in Old Bridge, serve not just as providers of care, but also as employers in Middlesex County. When you consider that there are about 2,000 people on our payroll as the employees, that's a significant job total in Middlesex County that we have, that we add to the commerce and we add to the economic growth of Middlesex County. Certainly as a provider of health care in both towns, we have the access of the emergency rooms, we have the continued growth of both hospitals, and we have the medical staff of over 500 physicians on both hospitals. Recently, there's been some significant additions to the services that we provide and to our facilities. A couple of years ago, actually in 2010, we opened up what we call the Woodbridge Pavilion, and the Woodbridge Pavilion is essentially a walk-in doctor's office for minor injuries or minor complaints that individuals have, and we do probably 13,000 to 14,000 visits a year in that facility. Additionally, we have our OB practice located there, we have our physical therapy practice located there, and we have offices where physicians can timeshare. As physicians come to the area, until they're really comfortable with where they want to locate, they timeshare office space at the Woodbridge Pavilion. Now, additionally, at the Perth Amboy Hospital, over the past 3 years, we've invested in excess of $15 million in the facility in terms of an increase in the space of our emergency room, our women's center that houses stereotactic breast biopsy, digital mammography, and an MRI, which, by the way, is a wide-bore MRI, which really comes into play for those patients and who might suffer from claustrophobia. And as a result, having a state-of-the-art MRI has really, in the building, previously we had one in a trailer, has been a great addition. We also have our hyperbaric services located in that same area, oxygen therapy, wound care therapy, all in the same area, in a very convenient pavilion with parking and access right from the parking lot. Our most recent activity is focused on Old Bridge. We are currently working with a developer to build a medical arts building on our Old Bridge campus, probably about 90,000 square feet, of which the hospital will occupy 40,000 plus for the services that would include a new surgery center, imaging center, as well as an expansion of our inpatient surgical services. Currently, we only have 2 operating rooms on the Old Bridge campus. By connecting the new building through a skywalk to the existing hospital, we will have 5 suites, OR suites. We will have appropriate pre-op and post-op space for the patients and for the staff. And additionally, we'll have office space for the physicians, any physicians who want to rent space on the campus in a location adjacent to the hospital. I believe it's critically important that Raritan Bay Medical Center is an active and vibrant community leader. As a provider of health and wellness, we need to lead by example with all the services that we provide. The community, and when you think of the community of Middlesex County and the fact that these 2 hospitals bracket the county, they rely on the hospital facilities in the county for their health care. They rely on the physicians for their health care. And as a result, I believe that to continue to provide those services at the highest level with the best outcomes is incumbent upon us as we lead by example in Middlesex County. I am in the concourse of the main entrance of the Perth Amboy Hospital, part of Raritan Bay Medical Center. I've just passed a banner that highlights one of our newest programs, the Institute for Weight Loss, which includes a number of different procedures in the area of bariatric surgery. Dr. Idieri is the medical director of that program. As I go down the concourse here, I'm passing to my left is the emergency room, where we have expanded greatly over the past couple of years as the number of patients we see has grown in the emergency services area, actually at both hospitals. As I continue along the concourse here, I'm passing another banner that is highlighting our Human Motion Institute. Human Motion Institute is a full-scope musculoskeletal program that includes orthopedic surgery, physical therapy, all sorts of joint, knee procedures. We have added many new orthopedic surgeons at Raritan Bay Medical Center over the past 2 years, mainly because of the attraction of this Human Motion Institute and the branding that it's added to Raritan Bay Medical Center. And you can see we've developed a lovely area for snacks and food of any sort so that visitors can avail themselves of this area. We also have our seating area where families can wait for their loved ones as they go up to see their loved ones who are in the hospital. We feel that the entrance to this hospital is very welcoming and really sets us apart as a hospital that's in somewhat of an urban community with a beautiful entrance. Over the past few years, there's been quite a bit of public data that's been released on hospitals and the outcomes that we provide. And you can see from this banner here that the New Jersey New Jersey Hospital Association Performance Report has graded us 100% in heart failure, 98% heart attack, 98% in surgical care, and 99% in pneumonia care. That means that the outcomes that we provide are at the highest levels of any hospital in this state from a standpoint of the care that we give for our patients. Being named Corporate Citizen of the Year by the Woodbridge-Chamber is certainly a great honor. We believe our participation in and around the greater Perth Amboy Woodbridge area is vital to what we do as an institution. I personally feel very strongly about the care that we deliver, the quality of the employees that we have at this medical center, and the day-to-day goings-on at the medical center. I think that anyone who walks through the doors of either of our hospitals gets that sense of family and community. And it really is an honor to be recognized in this way by the Woodbridge-Chamber, and we thank you very much at Raritan Bay Medical Center.